Hello guys, so today we are in Onitsha Anambra State. We brought you guys to the only surviving building from the Biafran War. This building at my back now is the only surviving building that was affected during the Nigerian Civil War that is still standing till date. You can see bullet marks on the walls of the building, bullet marks all over the building. So much blood marks, and you ask yourself, is it here that the whole war was fought? Is this building the ground for fighting the war? Was it the war front that the building had to be affected this much by several bullets all over the walls, even inside? That was how crazy it was. So we came here to take a tour around the building here. This is more like a museum now, although it's not been officially made a museum because government haven't done the needful in making this environment, this particular place now, a museum. So we are here to take you around the building. This building is over 100 years. It was built in the year 1924, so it is 101 years old. 101 years, this building, and still standing strong despite the things it has passed through, the attack by bullets and time, the age of the building. So you will see that it was really an amazing work done by the engineers that set up this building. So as you go through this video, you will ask yourself, you have a reflection of what our fathers went through fighting the Biafran War. If this building was affected like this and so many casualties were recorded, what happened in other places? What happened across the entire Igbo? I'm not sure this was the most affected building, but then you can see the bullets all over the building. You can see bullets all over. What now happened in other places? The casualties that were recorded in other places. Honestly, the Biafra Remembrance Day that happens every 30th of May should be happening here, or there should be an event happening here every 30th of May, the Biafra Remembrance Day. There should be a sober reflection by Igbos. There should be an event, candlelight procession and all that happening here every 30th of May, because this is more like the closest reality people of this age can see and now compare to what happened during the war, to have a glimpse on what happened during the war. So let me take you guys around this building. We'll go 360 and then we'll also go inside to have a proper look, to have a better look of the building, so that you see what this building looks like in this year 2025. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Thank you.